You want to go outside, don't you? Don't you? You want to go outside. I'm holding your face. You want to go outside? That's what you want to go? Huh? You want to go? Yeah, okay. Well, guess what? When we go out here, don't cry about coming back inside. You understand? You hear me? Don't you cry about coming back inside. You hear me? Don't you cry about coming back inside. Okay, here we go. Going out into the blizzard of 2010, round 2, fight. Okay, first place we're going to check is the deck. I'll open the door, and oh my goodness, as I step into the deck, you can probably see by my dog how deep the snow is out here. You look on my roof. Whoa. Whoa. And as I'm literally in about looking at my neighbors. This is my backyard. That is my shed, which looks absolutely covered. Oh, you're sneezing now, huh? I want to walk down, and my heater's okay. Now we're going out the front. Okay, I'm going to attempt to go out the front door and see what's going on now. Okay, let's take a look. Come on, dog. Let's go. Oh, good God. Let's see. How far are we going out here with this? Woo-wee. But you ain't walking out there, are you? Okay, this is my driveway, and that is the sidewalk. I don't know if you can tell, but it is absolutely white out conditions. Woo! What am I stepping in? My God. Where am I? Is this Alaska? Is this... Where's my truck? Yeah, this is it.